All right, we're in Horse Gulch today. Just going up the climb trail here. I guess I haven't been up here in a while, so the road is new here. So yeah, this climb trail pretty much connects all the other trails up in Horse Gulch here. There are a few other ways to get up top, but this one's actually one of the easier ones. And there's a fire road. It's not that bad of a climb either, but it's just long and rocky. This one you have a little bit of variety, so you get a little bit of a break. Feel like you climb a lot steeper in the very beginning, but then you get stuff like this the rest of the way. Once you get right here, The world is your burrito. I don't know what that means. Anyway, pretty much at the top, you can go off left, straight in front of me here, which is the way we usually take. It'll take you to all the jump lines, telegraph connector. After a couple of miles, it'll even drop down into Three Springs. And then all the whole Mesa Park up here in the corner. Or you can take a left, go down up the fire road, and hit all those more technical trails. So this is one of my favorite areas here. All right. Doing the climb trail backwards now, to the Mesa Connector trail. Have to really be paying attention for climbers on this one though. That's why I say I call this the climb trail for a reason. It's actually pretty flowy so far for being what I thought was flat. It's taking me down. So I don't want to take it too fast is my point. My bad. I gotta work on those. I figured it out. It's turning right that I struggle with. Berms that kick to the left, I'm stuck to those. Berms that go to the right, I struggle with. I wonder if it's a dominant leg issue, balance? No idea. Have fun. Yeah, I think it might be a balance thing, because when I'm mentally preparing, I think I can do it all right, but I'm also going slower. So yeah, doing that jump trail will be real fun. Oops, sorry about that. I forgot about that. I'm like, hey, this is the chance to try and hit it. That tree caught my hood. Never had that happen before. Oh, it's because I always wear my hood up. It's usually sunny. Forgot this was a bermless turn. Yeah, so this is going about how I expected it to on this downhill section. Alright, now I'll just wait for her here. There's probably a lot more downhill section on this part though, just because of the end of the downhill. Am I going to? No, I had to slow too far down around the corner. I don't think that was proper English, but hey. I'll take it. I know what I mean. Alright, well thank you for riding today. Apologize for the brake squeak. Thank you much. Have a good one. We will see you next time.